Hi, I'm Glo and welcome to Glo's Kindred Kitchen. Today we're making boiled potatoes, and what I'm using this for today is for potato salad for later on in the day. What I did ahead of time is I went ahead and I peeled 4 baking potatoes. So you could use any kind of potato you want, but that's what I had on hand today. And then I cut it into small cubes, and I'll show you the size of the potato that I'm going to turn this down so you guys can see exactly what's going on. This is about the size that I cut mine up in. And I have them in water on the stove, and I'm going to turn this on to high, and we're going to bring this to a boil. After it comes to a boil, I'll be putting in some seasonings, and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to put in, but I don't put it in ahead of time because if your water isn't hot enough and the salt goes to the bottom of the pan, it can pit your pan, and I just prefer not to do that. So anyway, I'll be back with you in just a few minutes after it comes to a boil. Bye. Hi, welcome back. Well, our potatoes have started to come to a boil, and I'm going to bring it down so you guys can see. And to this, we're going to add some salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt today, about a teaspoon, and a few shakes of onion powder, and a few shakes of garlic powder. If I was going to do this for whipped potatoes, a lot of times besides those 3 ingredients, I sometimes put in a bay leaf, and it gives it a nice savory flavor depending on what I'm going to be serving with it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let this continue to boil, and I'll be back with you in just a little bit. This will probably take about 15 to 20 minutes to get done. If the pieces were larger, it would take longer. But anyway, I'll see you back in just a little bit. Bye. Hi, welcome back. Well, our potatoes are done, and I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to turn the camera down so we can all see. And it did take about 15 minutes. What you want is to be able to pierce your potato with your fork. And yes, they're done. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my burner off. And we're going to take this over to the sink. Let's see, I'm going to see if I can bring you over to the sink so you guys can see this. Here, you gonna be able to see? Yeah, I think so. So quite often I'd save my potato water if I'm going to be making gravy or whatever. It really makes it very flavorful. But tonight I'm going to go ahead and just drain this, and we're going to be using this for potato salad. But if we were going to do whipped potatoes, it would be something entirely different. And I'll do a YouTube on that too, what I do for whipped potatoes. Actually, there's a couple of different ways, but see if we can get this drained out real good because we don't want wet potatoes for our potato salad. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the burner with the burner off so that it cools really well. I'm going to remove the lid and let it just kind of set. And anyway, this is it for the boiled potatoes. Thank you so much for joining us. Talk to you later. Bye.